Hi friends, Sam here. So in this video, I will be sharing with you that what services I offer to trainers, coaches and other entrepreneurs and freelancer too. So I just categorize that in four letters, AAPP. So A for apps. So I offer you apps subscription. For example, Zoom you want, Zapier you want, or you want other apps, so I offer you subscriptions of that in very reasonable rate. Second A is automation. So I can build custom automation for you. Okay, so for example, for WhatsApp nurturing, I build the very good system, so I will understand your requirement and I can build custom WhatsApp automation for you. Okay, so basically my expertise in WhatsApp automation, email automation and integration and all that. So based on that, I will build custom automation for you. So that is A. Next is P. I can provide you people. So for example, for one of our customer, the requirement was calling people after attending webinar. So whoever are serious leads, so we need to call them, So for this, my resource got trained and my resource is working for your requirement. So you don't have any headache to recruit people and all that, that headache I will take care and I will give you people doing that particular task for you. So that is people. And along with people, you will get process also. For example, what kind of template can be filled, what kind of data can be entered in the tracker. So that whole process is also comes along with the people. Remember that. Okay, so process along with people also you will get from my side. For example, for one of the client, we are doing live automated batches, So for that, the batches are automated, but then that is like that's a solution with basically live automated batches. For that, we provide process and people as well, and whole thing will be taken care by us. So that's what my offerings are: AAPP, app subscription, custom automation, people and process I give. So let me know in case if I really help in your business. I'm giving my team's WhatsApp number on this video. You can ping my team, and if you want to talk to me, they will do the qualification round and then you can talk to me. Another thing is that I started Samz Idea Factory video series. So on this video, I'm giving you the link for that. Go and register. Once in a week, I share a valuable content with you. Okay, on WhatsApp, once in a week only. Third thing which I want to share with you, I started the blog samzideafactory.com. So on a Facebook page, I regularly provide the updates. So I'm giving you that Facebook page link. Like and follow that page so that you can continuously get updates about my blog. Okay, so stay tuned. Lot of things I am doing for you. Take advantage of that. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.